A frightening noise in Pasco County had some people evacuating from the area near a Duke Energy power plant last week. One person says the disturbance happens all the time. Reporter Eric Waxler with what might be causing all that noise.
This is freaky.
Connie Wirt didn't know what was going on last Thursday.
And this noise it sounded like two jet engines were sitting over the top of me.
What's going on?
Wirt lives in Holiday, about a half-mile from Duke Energy's Anclote power plant, and she says the noise she heard was frightening.
I put my hands over my ears initially. I mean, it was that loud inside.
Duke Energy says they did have an equipment problem last week that caused a power outage, and as part of regular procedure, the plant released steam, causing high-volume sounds.
And it kept going, and it kept going, and it kept going.
But Wirt says this isn't just a one-time thing. She and her husband have been dealing with the excess noise they think is coming from the plant for months.
It's become more and more often, and like I said, it got louder and louder, and that on the 5th, it was scary.
She says they've lived in Holiday for more than a year and have never had a problem before.
Just, what is going on? Do I need to worry? Should I bring my plants inside? I mean, does the air conditioning help?
Duke Energy says they aren't aware of any issues that could be causing the noise other than the one day last week. But we sent them this video, and they say they are looking into it. In Holiday, Eric Waxler, ABC Action News.